You want me to stay with you?
Yeah.
But I have to go to work, my love.
And then you go to work first. You have to go to sleep and then you go to work. You have to go to sleep with me first.
Oh, baby, I know, but today I have to work the other job too.
You can't.
I gotta work.
You can't get a job.
I gotta go, okay, baby?
You can't get a job.
Why?
I don't want you to get a job.
Why not, baby?
I want to stay here.
Why you want me to stay here, baby?
Because I want to get down.
Baby, okay, baby. I gotta go, my love, okay?
You can't
I love you. Please don't be sad, okay? Mommy will be back, okay? I'll be back and we're gonna go to sleep Mimi's together, okay?
You can't leave.
Why, my love?
You can't.
I love you, baby. I love you, okay? Please don't be sad, okay? I'll be back. I promise, okay? Yeah?
You can't be back. You can't be back in there.
I love you, baby, okay? I love you, okay? Please don't be sad, my love. Please don't be sad.
I have to.
Why, my love?
I don't want to.
Oh, my baby. Please don't be sad.
I have to.
Why you have to, my baby? Oh, my baby. Please don't be sad.
Because I have to.
I don't want to leave you, baby. I don't. Please don't cry. Come here.